Trending news on JapaMedia. The headlines. JapaMedia, in collaboration with Canadainfohub, presents workshop on moving to Canada in 90 days. The UK increases minimum income requirements for family visa. Now the news. JapaMedia, in collaboration with Canadainfohub, is hosting the Before You Japa BYJ workshop, offering a practical guide to relocating to Canada within 90 days. This online event covers study, work, and visa routes, providing step-by-step guidance of migration path, eligibility, documentation, application procedures, and settlement plans. Register now for this virtual workshop. Our facilitator for this event is our special migration influencer of Canadainfohub, Ewologene Marioge. This workshop will hold on Zoom at 7 p.m. West African time. Date is Sunday, April 28, 2024. Visit the Japa Nigeria handle and click on link in bio to register. Seats are filling up fast. The UK now requires a minimum income of £29,000 for family visas, impacting residents who wish to bring families into the country. This requirement will rise to £38,000 in 2025 as part of the government's strategy to control migration numbers. This firm decision aims to ensure that only those who can financially support dependents bring them into the UK. That will be all for our news stories this week. For more details on these news and more migration stories, please visit our website at www.japa.com.ng. You can also follow us on all our social media platforms at Japa Nigeria.